Okay, this part here, I know some school will say use formula, memorize the formula. So for example, if you want to find the unbiased estimation of population mean, okay, and variance. Oh, this one is okay lah. This one just use formula. Okay, so this is just mean. Unbiased estimation of population mean is the same as the mean. It's just 160 divided by 100. Okay, or rather, just EX divided by N, which is 160 divided by 100. 1.6. Unbiased estimate. Wow, you keep it right. Unbiased estimate of population variance. You don't need to write lah, but hate to write the whole thing. That's why it's good to have S square here. You just need N minus 100 minus 1. This is given in MF26. Just use MF26 to do it. In calculator 1 over 11. Quite straightforward. Okay. This one, just quickly do it. So the bottom one here, this one here,